Protecting London is the fascinating responsibility of a huge network of people. And because the city never stands still, it's a complex job which is constantly evolving. But how do safety and security measures compare in concert halls and construction sites? What's the difference between facilities management in an 18th century Grade 1 listed museum and a 21st century smart office? And how do all of these people come together to keep many of the world's best of landmarks safe and secure? To answer these questions, Protection and Management, which is the world's leading event series taking place this June, covering security, fire, safety and facilities, has gone on a behind-the-scenes tour of landmarks across the capital to reveal how they operate on a day-to-day basis. For episode 3, we head to Europe's largest construction project, Crossrail. The high-frequency, high-capacity railway project employs over 10,000 workers across 40 sites, and it's on course to deliver 42 kilometres of new rail tunnels under the busy streets of London. In this exclusive interview, Works Manager Sean Melody gives us a glimpse into welfare facilities at the Farringdon site. Watch the whole clip or select your favourite chapters.
Sean Melody, Works Manager, working on the Farringdon project for Crossrail. Most of my challenges as part of my role as Works Manager is looking after welfare facilities we've got roughly 700 people working on site, 415 roundabouts working 24/7, so logistically keeping the welfare in a good, clean and habitable. Actually finding home for all these 415 people is a challenge working in London on a very constrained site. So day to day it's an ongoing challenge, just keeping the facilities running. We have quite a big back of house crew cleaning, so we've got 6 to 8 people working in shifts as well, like the workforce, doing 3 shifts. So we've always got people on site when the lads from work, from finishing their shifts, come in. The place is clean prior to them changing, and then we clean it again prior to the next group coming in. So we stagger the shifts to accommodate for the amount of people. The problem on these projects is we have enough space to have people on site. We never have enough space to have them on site all at the same time. So one of the challenges going forward will be to looking at fit out and how we alter the shift pattern to make sure that there's enough room for everybody to change and to have enough canteen facilities. Another part of my role is looking after security, so I do deal with security, making sure that we've got guards on rota, making sure that the turnstiles are secure, the perimeter is secure as well. So the job is secure and it's safe for the people working on site, and it's safe for all the pedestrians and the public travelling through the busy station as Farringdon is. Collaboration, working together as a team, looking at the security, safety, it all comes down to one thing: communicating with all the stakeholders involved in them operations, being collaborative, putting our hand up if we get it wrong, asking for a bit of support, a bit of advice, and showing best practice then if we are doing good things, actually celebrating all that best practice that we have been doing on Crossrail. I was on the Olympics for a number of years. I worked on Tottenham Court Station upgrade for a number of years, so taking some of that learning and trying to introduce some of the stuff into Farringdon, into Crossrail, has been small steps, but just looking at shift patterns to make sure that we don't overload the facilities, looking for new facilities, which is an ongoing challenge. We've got to find facilities for 100 people. That is an ongoing challenge, so we are just about getting there now after 8 months' work, finding new places to put all the workforce for getting ready for fit out in the end of this year and going forward 2016.